여러분들이 이제 이 애텀이라는 도구를 만나서 어떻게 성공할 것인가 하는 것은 여러분들이 이제 어떻게 하기에 달려 있는데 이미 이 애텀이라는 것이 많은 사람을 성공시키는 그런 도구로서 이미 사회적 증거를 가지고 있습니다. 그게 바로 수많은 성공자들이 탄생을 했고 지금도 탄생을 하고 있다는 거예요. 그렇지만 누구나 할 수 있지만은 모두가 다 성공하는 것은 아닙니다. 여러분들이 어떻게 하느냐에 달려 있어요. 여기 계신 분들 중에는 아직 성공하기에 익숙하지 않은 분들도 많이 있으리라고 생각을 합니다. 일을 하는 방법에 있어서 그거 익숙해지는 제가 비결을 하나 알려드릴게요. 아주 쉽게 익숙해질 수 있는 게 있어요. 뭘 하시면 되냐면은 그냥 죽고 살고 해보세요. 그러다 보면은 익숙해지게 돼 있고 잘할 수 있게 돼 있어요. 되게 잘 못한다, 안 된다, 못하겠다 하는 분들은 보면은요.
For those that say they can't do it are those that have not tried it.
잘할 수 있는 방법은 그냥 가가지고 하는 거예요. 그런데
However, those that can do it are those
얘기를 해야 될지 잘 모르겠다.
that can do it. But many people, they don't know what to say. However, there's a secret as well. Just say whatever it is that you want.
아무렇게나 얘기하다 보면은
If you just say whatever it is that you want, then sooner or later, you will be able to identify your strengths and weaknesses.
이런 것도 거기 현장에서 다 파악할 수 있어요.
Then you will be able to know what to say and know what to say. It's like riding a bike.
자전거 이론적으로 배워가지고
In theory, you can't know how to ride a bike just by learning it in theory, right? You have to know how to steer it in direction, and if you don't know how to ride a bike by your body by trying it, but riding a bike is, you don't need to know it in theory. So in order to ride a bike, you need to fall multiple times, right? And what's the way to learn the quickest way? It is to fall as many times as possible. Someone called me one time and he said, talk to this one person because he doesn't believe what you said. So it was a young man on the other side of the phone. And I said, well, what's wrong? There is this old lady in front of our house, and this old lady told him that the Atomic Energy Institute made this cosmetic product. So I said, it's not a nuclear plant, but it is an atomic research agency. So I said, can you put the old lady on the phone? So I said, it's not a nuclear plant, but it's an atomic research agency. And she said, isn't it the same thing? But this old lady, the person that she talked to, this young man, eventually joined Atomy, and the old lady became a successful contractor. So it doesn't matter whether you say it's from Atomic's research institution or whether it's a nuclear plant. So you can learn along the way.
성공을 할 수가 있습니다. 그러니까 이 애터미 사업은 되는 사업이고.
So this Atomy business is a business that truly works. And more than how much it has grown in the past, it will only continue to grow in the future. What's important is your motivation and your will that you will succeed. But many people don't have this will. That's the biggest reason why people fail. You need to have a will to succeed. So how much will should you have? Most people don't even know that. So most people think, oh wow, all I need is $3,000 to $7,000 a month. Can you succeed with that much money? Maybe you're thinking, oh, that's all the money that I need. That's how all of you are thinking right now.
300에서 700 벌어갖고 성공이 안 돼요.
You cannot succeed by making $3,000 to $7,000 a month. You cannot save money like that. Actually, if you make less than $3,000, your debt will accumulate, and only when you accumulate more than $7,000 can you live, can you have a breather. But if you want to support your parents, right, and if you want to pay your duties, you should at least give your parents $3,000, $4,000 a month, right? So how can you give $3,000, $4,000 to your parents when you only make $3,000, $4,000? You need to pay for the caretaker. There are many expenses. So people don't know how much money people need in order to be successful. Let's say your friend is sick. What must you do?
전화 한 통화하고 말아? 문자 한 번 보내고 말아?
Do you just send them a text? What should you do? No, you should go to your friend and should pay for their medical expenses, right? Or if your niece is getting, if your nephew's daughter is getting married, what should you do?
얼마 도와줘야 돼요?
How much should you pay for the wedding?
300만 원?
$3,000?
300만 원 가지고 무슨 결혼을 해?
Can you get married with just $3,000?
3천만 원은 도와줘야
No, you need to
된다며요.
pay at least $30,000 for that wedding, right?
대개는 무슨
But
고민을 하고 있느냐?
do you know what kind of worries people usually have? Oh, I should pay $1,000, but should I pay $300 or $200? And then people think about that all night, and then the next day they go to the wedding with bloodshot eyes.
그렇게 해야 되는 거예요.
But we really need to pay our obligations fully and in a sufficient way. That is why to become successful, we need to rethink what does success mean and why can people not succeed.
오늘 저녁에 이제 정말 성공을 어떻게 하는지에 대해서
So today, I will explain the secrets of how to succeed.
대부분 사람들이
Most people
0세에서부터 시작해서
start from the age of 0
30세까지는 되게 공부를 합니다.
and they study up
공부.
until the age of
그리고
30.
60세까지는
And until 60,
일을 합니다.
they work.
그리고 60에서 요즘 90세까지
And from
살죠.
60 to 90,
노후라고 얘기를
people
합니다. 그런데
live a
요즘에
life of
흉흉한
retirement.
소문이 돌아요.
However, there's a
잘못하면
rumor going on
120살까지
that
산다고.
if not careful, you will live until
큰일 나는
120
거예요,
years
이렇게
old.
되면은.
This would be a
예.
huge
이거는
tragedy.
이제 재난이 됩니다.
This will
재난이.
become a disaster.
돈 없이 오래 살면은 큰 재앙이에요.
If you live till you're
반드시
120
질병이라는
without
게
money,
따라오게 돼
and
있거든요.
if
그럼
you're
병
ill,
걸리고 돈 없으면은
what happens if you're ill
누구보고
and have
어떡하라고.
no money? Who will be
그러다 보니까
responsible for
스스로도
you?
답답해서 몸도 아픈데 마음까지 답답해지는 현상이 생긴다.
So if you're physically ill, then you will mentally take a toll as well. So most people study for 30 years, and though they have worked for 30 years, most people do not have their life of retirement set up. Statistics show that only 1% of all people become rich. Only 4% are able to only overcome the financial difficulties.
부자는 아니지만은 남한테 손 안 벌리고 살 수 있을 정도는 되어 있더라 하는 거예요.
Though they are not rich, they will not be financially dependent. 50% of the people have passed away. 10% of all people will have to continue to work.
하루벌이 일을. 그런데 나머지 70%의
However,
사람은
the 70% of people
일도 없고
have no
돈도
work
없는 상태에서
and have no
공부를
money
많이 하게
either.
된다 하는 통계가 있어요. 이게 좀 오래전 통계고 뭐 다른 나라 통계이다 보니까
This is data from other countries, and it's quite old, so it might not be 100% accurate. However, it is probably quite similar to our situation. So why do people study for 30 years, work diligently for 30 years, day and night, and why is it that the result is that only 5% of all people can be successful? And why do 95% of all people fail?
그래서 여기에 이 통계에 주목했던 사람 중에 한 사람이
And one of the
바로
persons
카네기라는 사람이에요.
who looked at this research
그래서
was Dale
이
Carnegie.
가난한 집의 아이로 태어났는데
Carnegie was born in a
네가
poor
다시 가난한
family,
집의 아이로
and he
태어난다고
thought,
하면은
if I was to
또다시
born in a
이런
poor
부자
family
성공자가 될
again,
수가 있을까?
could I
그런
become
생각이 본 거예요.
rich and
그런데
successful
자기는
again?
다시 10번을
So after
가난한
asking
집의
himself
아이로
this
태어났더라도
question,
10번 다
he
지금과
concluded
같은
that though he
부자가
was
돼서
born
성공자의 삶을
10 times
살 수가
over in a
있다는
poor
확신이
family,
생긴
he
거예요.
would become rich
왜 확신이
every
생겼냐면
single time again. So why did he have this conclusion? It's because he knew the methods for success. He knew the laws of success
성공의 법칙을.
and how to be successful.
이 95%의 사람들은
However, these 95% of these people here did not know the laws of
그렇기 때문에
success.
성공을 못한
That was
거야.
why they could not succeed.
정말 성공한 사람들의 공통점은 무엇인가?
What
누가
is the
성공자가
commonality
되려고
of successful
성공자가
people?
되려고 하면은 어떤 조건을 갖춰야
What
되는가?
conditions must you have in order to be successful?
이
So with
방법을
these
알고
questions,
있었기
Carnegie
때문에
took it
많은
and he was
사람들에게
able to
알려줘야
answer with the
되겠다.
laws of
그래서
success.
이
And
성공의
he wanted to
법칙을
know
정리를
others know about the
했다
laws of
하는
success
거예요.
as well.
이 성공의 법칙이라는 것은 마치
These laws of
자연
success
법칙과
are
같은
like
거예요.
laws of
그러니까
nature.
아무렇게나 누가 만든다고 그래서
It is not something that is
성공의
decided
법칙이 아니고
arbitrarily.
성공의 법칙이라는 것이
The
원래
laws
있어요.
of success
그대로 하면
already
성공하고
exist.
그대로 하지 않으면 성공 못하는
If you
거예요.
follow the laws of success,
스티븐
you will
코비는
succeed.
이거를 전국향의 원리라고
And Stephen Covey
표현을
wrote
했어요.
this as
전국향의 원리.
the true north principle.
농장의 법칙과 같다 하는 거예요.
This is
농장의
similar as the laws of
자연
farming.
법칙과 같은 거기 때문에
The laws of nature is similar as the laws of farming. In order to farm, you need to farm according to the laws of nature. Only then will you succeed. You cannot just farm as you want. For example, if you want to farm in Korea, you have to sow seeds on spring and reap in harvest. If not, you will fail. So you cannot just do as you want. You need to follow the laws of nature in order to be successful in farming.
이런 것은 이미 정해져 있는
So
거다.
these laws of success are already
쉽게
predetermined.
이 성공의 법칙을 이 자연 법칙, 농장의 법칙에 빗대 가지고 한번
So let's talk about the laws of success in comparison to the laws of farming. What must you do when you first farm? You must decide how much of what you will reap. You need to have this in your mind first. If you think you need to have 2 sacks of rice, what kind of seed do you need? That's right. You need seeds of rice. What if you think you need to have a sack of beans? What must you do? You cannot have seeds of beans in order to reap rice, right? So first, you must have in your head what you want to reap in harvest. And depending on that, what is on your mind, then you will decide the other things as well for farming. So in order to succeed, you must first think what kind of success it is you want. You need to have this in your mind. So let's say there is this building here. Say this building was built 10 years ago. So where was this building first built? It was built in an unseen place. Where is it? In the mind of the architect. So it's in the mind of the architect where it's first decided if the building will be 5 stories tall or 2 stories tall. So the architect in his mind first has a blueprint of the building in his mind, and then he draws it in the blueprint and gives it to the construction worker. So before the building was actually built, where was this built? Where was this drawn? In the mind of the architect. In the same way, you need to draw in your mind a life that is successful in your mind. So what kind of successful life will you have? This is a quite complicated question, right? Why is it complicated? Let me tell you the reason why. That is because people are very complicated beings. People, first, we have the flesh. Next, inside the flesh is the spirit and the soul. And we are also surrounded by our environments. It is these factors that constitute the being of a person. The flesh is not human themselves. This is like the house of a person. The essence of a person is a spirit and soul. The flesh is kind of like the house of the person. The flesh seeks for health, live long, and to live abundantly. These are the desires of the flesh. And we express this as to live well.
이 영도
And this
요구하는 게 있어요.
spirit, there's something that the
영은
spirit
어떤 것을
desires. What does the
요구하냐면은
spirit desire?
양심에 따라서 살고 싶어.
It wants to live within its conscience.
영원을 사모하는 마음이 있어요.
It wants to
영생을 바라는
cherish the spirit, right?
그게 이제
It
시간에
longs
관한
for
개념이기도
eternity.
한데
This is a concept of time.
이 영과 혼을 우리가 쉽게 구별하는
So,
방법은
what's the
이
easiest way
혼은
to
내가
distinguish between the soul
컨트롤
and the
가능한
spirit?
감정이라든가
The soul
지식이라든가
constitutes
이런 것들이에요.
emotions
이런 것들이
and
내가 컨트롤 가능한
knowledge.
거예요.
These are things that you
성질내다가도
can
안 될 수
control.
있죠. 그렇죠?
Even if you're
못하다가 안
angry,
웃을 수도
these
있고.
are things that
그리고
cannot
내가
turn out
컨트롤
well for you,
가능해요.
right?
지식, 기억력이라든가 이런 것들 안 보이는
Knowledge,
몸의 활동이에요.
these kind of
영의
things are
활동은
activities of the
동물은
soul.
영이 없어요. 혼은 있어요.
So animals have no spirit. They might have a soul. So you can instruct animals, right?
밥 먹는 거 건들면 성질내잖아요. 그렇죠?
And their
좋다고 밥 주면 좋다고 꼬리 흔들고.
dogs have emotions too, right? They wag their tail if they're happy. But dogs and animals do not have a conscience. Let's say a dog bit its neighbor's leg one day. Will it feel guilty and go to that man and say, "Oh, I feel bad for biting my neighbor's leg"? So animals do not have a conscience, and they do not have a notion of time as well. When humans get old, they think about their life and reflect about their life, right? However, dogs and monkeys, they have no notion of time. They just eat when they want, and they just fall asleep, right?
과거는 내가 정말 잘 살았나 잘못 살았나 이런 개념 아무 개념도 없어요.
So they have no notion of whether they have lived well or a time of reflection.
미래가 대칭이에요. 변화가 없어요. 똑같아요.
So for animals, there is no difference of the future and the present.
지금 벌이나 똑같아요. 그런데 사람은 달라요. 사람은 이 영적인 활동.
However, humans are different.
시간에 관한 개념이 없어요.
That is why humans have no notion of time.
사람은 영원을 사모하는 마음을 주셨도다 이렇게 돼 있어요. 영원이라는 것은 시간에 관한 개념이죠. 그래서 이 시간에 관한 개념이 있고.
So humans have this notion of time of eternity.
만족을 하려고 하면은
In order for humans to be satisfied, they must know the true Creator. Why was I born? Why am I living?
이 창조주 하나님으로부터 사랑을 받고 사랑을 해야
That is why humans need to love God and the Creator and to receive love from the Creator.
평온한 감정을 가지고 살아가고 싶고
And we want to have a stable emotion, and we have a desire for the intellect. That's why we must learn, and we must be in harmony with our environment and contribute back to our environment, inflicting a positive impact. If we don't accomplish all of these desires, you know what happens when you die? You will not have satisfied these urges that you have. Let's say you were not healthy. Let's say you did not live long. And let's say you were poor your whole life. You will have a regrettable life. And let's say you had no conscience. You will definitely not have a good life. And what if you're always angry? And you will think that you did not do anything good by not contributing back to the society, right? So we need to live a life where we can acknowledge and feel all of these needs, and that is the type of goal that we must have. So we need to have a balanced life that satisfies all four of these things. Once again, you must have a balanced life. In order for us to have a goal in our life, when you want to think of your goal in your life, you need to have a well-balanced life of these four factors. Repeat after me: a balanced life, to live well, to love, to learn, to contribute. When you can draw this kind of life in your mind, then you can take that first step.
이 모습을 그리는데
So when you draw these four
이게
aspects in your life,
다 연결이 되어 있어요.
all four of these things are connected.
자, 육은 뭘 요구한다고요?
What does the flesh
잘
desire?
살기.
It desires to live well.
영은
What about the
사랑하고.
spirit? It wants to love.
요 정도는 공부를 해야 돼.
You
아무리
need
애터미가
to
공부를 안
study.
한다고
You
그래도.
need to know at least this, right?
혼은
And what about the soul?
배우고
You want to learn. This is easy. What about your
공헌하는
environment
사람,
to
공헌을
contribute
해야 돼.
back to
그런데
your
이게 다
environment?
연결이 되어 있어요.
However, these
이게
things
하나
are not
놓고
mutually
보면은
exclusive.
아무것도 아닐 수도 있어요.
If you
잘
just
살면
look
뭐해?
at
이렇게 되는
one of these aspects, then it might be meaningless.
그런데
It's like,
내가
well,
잘
so what
살아야
if you live
되는
well?
이유는
So what
사랑하는
if
사람들이 있기
you
때문에
love
반드시
others?
잘
The
살아야
reason
되고,
why you must
잘
live well
살려고
is because
하면은
you
배워야
have
되고,
beloved people, and
배운
you
것을
must
또
learn
베풀고 공헌을
in
해야 돼.
order
이게
to
연관성이
contribute
있다는
back
거예요.
to the environment, to the society, right?
내가 못 살면은 자식도
If you don't live well, then your children will not have a good
맨날
life.
속상해.
The
이게
parents will always
연관이
be
다 되어
upset.
있어요.
And so these are all connected very
못
closely.
살면은요.
If you don't live well, even
이혼하는
love
사람들 보면
will
성격
be
차이라고
broken. Many people
많이
say
해요.
that divorce is due
뒷조사에
to
보면은요.
character differences.
차이야, 돈 차이.
However, research shows that it's because of
한
money.
달에 3천만 원씩 꼬박꼬박
If there was a
가져주는
husband that made
남편이 있어.
$30,000 a month,
성격이 안 맞아.
but their
차요?
personality clash, what happens? Will the
한 달에
wife
5천만
leave
원씩
the
꼬박꼬박
husband?
벌어주는데 성격 안 맞다고 걷어차냐고 이혼하자고 그러냐고.
Will the wife want a divorce from a husband who brings home $30,000 a month? No way.
와이프가 한 달에 5천만 원씩 꼬박꼬박
If
걸어오는데
a wife brings $50,000 a month, will the husband try to divorce that wife because of conflict of personality? No way. So actually, if you look up behind the scenes for divorce, most of it is because of the problems of money.
정말 집사람을 사랑해 가지고요.
I actually really loved my wife. I chased after her for a year, and I got married to her, and we lived well.
제가 17년 월급쟁이 하다가
I actually worked for 17 years, and I could not prepare for my life after retirement.
시대를 너무 앞서가니까 이게
But
안
this,
되는 거예요.
I started a business, this internet shopping
문을
mall,
닫게 됐는데
but it
기업이
closed down,
망하면은요,
and I went
기업가의
bankrupt.
재산도 날아가지만은
The
건강도
company went
상하는
bankrupt,
수가
but actually many
그래서
times the founder of a failed business's health will collapse as well. You know, so I had to pay the workers, give my debt, and I even lacked after that. So I had no credit, and the bank was after my money, and we moved into a small apartment paying $500 a month. And then my heart, my liver started to harden, and I went into the early stages of diabetics. So my doctor friend told me that I should not work and that I need to go to a big hospital. So I went to a big hospital and I received proper treatment. The hospital told me to stop working, but I had no money. I couldn't work. What did I have to do? My wife had to go out and she had to work and she had to pay for our children's. And how much money do you think my wife made? She made about $1,500 a month because she was in her 50s. After making $1,500 a month, it's really hard to live with that income. And when I would go home in winter, it was so cold. So when I go home, I would tell my wife, I would tell her, "Hey, why didn't you heat up the place? It's so cold in here." And my wife would say, "Don't you think I don't know that it's cold?" And she would be frustrated. What she means is that honey, if you make money, then we wouldn't be in this situation. What she really meant was that you don't even make money, so why are you wanting this house to be heated? Actually, I thought differently. When you don't have money, you should not try to save money. You need to spend as much money as possible when you're poor. When you don't have much money, just spend as much money as you can. You know why? Because you don't have much to spend. So just spend as much as you want when you don't have money. At least that'll be good for your mental health. No matter how much you save when you're poor, you will never be rich. When should you save? When you can make a lot of money. When you become a royal master and make tens of thousands of dollars, that's when you can save money. That's when you plan for your retirement, save money.
그러면 그때는 쌓여요, 그게. 그리고 수입에 맞춰갖고 지출을 하는 게 아니고요.
And you do not you don't spend according to your income. You first need to decide how much expense you need, and then you need to make an income depending on that expense. Let's say you want to spend $20,000 a month, right? Why? Well, you need a helper at home. You need to pay your parents for their living expenses, and you need to pay for your children's tuition, right? And you need $20,000 to $30,000 a month. Then you need at least $30,000 a month to have a good balanced life. You need to have an expense of $30,000 a month, and then you need to find work that'll make you $30,000 a month. If not, then you should not take on that work if it cannot sustain your daily expenses. That's how you need to plan your income. We need to be successful because of our loved ones. So I loved my wife so much, and I married her after chasing her and pleading her, but when we ran out of money, then our relationship started to break, and after 3 years, my wife one day said, "Honey, when our kids leave home, let's break up." Actually, my wife doesn't say such things so lightly, and when I heard that, my legs gave out, and I held my wife, held her legs, and I started crying. I think I cried for about 20 minutes, and I said, "Honey, I can't let you leave like this. If you leave now, you won't have a house to live in. You have no money for retirement. How will you live your life like this? Even if you leave, let me buy you a house and let me give you money for your retirement. Can you please wait for me until I succeed?" So I held her legs and started crying. She looked at me nonchalantly and said, "How long will it take?" But now we have a good house, and I've sent her a lot of money, but she won't say she'll leave me anymore. She doesn't mention that part. So in order to truly sustain the life of your loved ones, at that time I really couldn't move. I was sick. If I would just move 3 or 4 hours a day, I would be so tired. And it was a very, very difficult time for us. I felt like I was in a very dark cave. Actually, in such a situation, I was very afraid even to have hope. I was very discouraged to even have hope, because if I failed after having such hope, I would be in despair again. That's why, and I felt like I was in a very dark cave. But there was a glimmer of hope, a glimmer of light. And I felt like I needed to hold on to hope. When there is no hope, the only hope is to hold on to hope. If you don't hold on to hope in darkness, you will only have despair in your life. So what kind of hope? A hope that you can rejuvenate your life, a hope that you can stand back again. You must head towards this hope, so that this glimmer of light at the end of the tunnel. Though it's difficult, you need to take a step towards that light. However, as you walk towards that light, you will slowly see the light getting bigger. And sooner or later, you will see that you have escaped the tunnel, and the whole world will have lit up.
희망의 세계로 나오더라 하는 거예요.
And it will have been a hopeful world for you. When it's dark in the tunnel, you will think, I can't do this, I can't do that.
우리는 할 수 있다는 그 빛을 향해서 가야 돼요. 여러분 해낼 수 있다는 확신이 100% 들기 때문에 일을
You
하는
don't
게 아니에요.
take on work because you have 100% success rate. Even if it only has a 1% success rate, and even if it has a 99% failure rate, you must overcome the 99% and head towards that light of 1%. If you continue to take on such path and take a step further, then slowly that light will become bigger and your hope will only become clearer. That is why you need to have hope. You need to be confident that you can do it.
우리는 정말 사랑하는 사람이 있기 때문에요.
You must not give up because you have the beloved ones in your life. You must never collapse. You need to get back up on your feet.
그래서 그 사랑하는 사람들과 정말 사랑을 나누는
And
사이가 돼야
you must truly share with your loved ones.
우리 머릿속에 어떤 모습으로 내가 성공할 것인가 하는 것이 이제 그려져야 되는데
You must
이게
draw
한 편의
in your
영화처럼
mind what kind
머릿속에
of
한 편의 영화가
life it
돌아가요.
is that you want.
그럼 이 영화만 돌아가면은 정말 내가 성공자가 그 영화처럼 되느냐? 결론부터 말씀을 드리면은
So,
yes,
as a conclusion, yes, if you just draw the life that you want in your mind, it will be realized. Actually, this is already proven scientifically.
제가 여러분들에게 한 달에 5천만 원씩을
Let's say
매달
I
드리겠다고 하면은
promise to give you $50,000 a month.
아침에 몸이 천근만근 무겁던
Do you
사람이
think someone whose body is very heavy in the morning when they wake up, will they become as light as a feather or will they continue to live a sluggish life? What do you think?
한 달에 3천만 원, 5천만 원씩이 계속 들어올 수 있다고만 생각하면
If they can just be confident that someone will pay $30,000 to $50,000 a month for their life, all their ailments will disappear overnight.
생각에 따라서 몸이
That's why
변해버릴
depending
수가
on
있어요.
how you think, that can even affect
그거를
your physical body.
과학적으로
This has been
조사를
proven
해봤더니
scientifically.
우리가 생각만 하는가,
Depending on what it is that you
실제로
think,
그렇게 되는 거하고를 구별을 못해 우리 몸이.
that will determine
그러니까
how your body will react.
3천만 원이 들어온다고 생각만
So just by thinking about the fact
또
that you
우리
will
몸을
make $30,000 a month
그렇게
will
운동하자고
affect
진짜로
your
3천만
physical
원이
appearance,
들어온다고
right?
똑같이 우리 몸을
And that will have the
변화를
same
시키는
effect as you actually
그러니까
making
여러분들이
$30,000
나는
a month.
3천만 원을 번다,
So
5천만
if you
원을
think
번다,
in
내
your mind
통장에
that you will
3천만
make
원씩이
$30,000
매달 들어올
or
거다고
$50,000 a
여러분들이
month,
생각을 하는 것만으로도
just by
여러분의
thinking
몸을
about
변화시킬
this,
수가
you
있다.
can bring about change
어떤
in
것만
your
떠올리고
life. That will
여러분이
change
건강한
your
것도
mannerism, that will change your
정말
health,
지칠 줄 모르는 그런 스태미너를 만들어내.
and you will be able to have the stamina where you will not get tired.
실험을 한번 해볼까요?
Shall we do a little experiment right now? Many scientists have already done this, but let's just do it live right here in front of you.
입에다가
Imagine that I am
험한
pouring in a red pomegranate inside your mouth.
그 새콤하고
Imagine
달콤한
this
섬유를
sweet and sour
어금니로
pomegranate and the
퍼뜨리니까
pulp just
섬유
exploding
즙이
inside your
입안에
mouth.
가득 퍼집니다.
And that watery pulp is
입안에
spreading
무슨
in
일이
your
일어나세요?
mouth. What's happening right now to your mouth?
침이 나오죠.
Chances are you're salivating,
나는
right?
침이 안 나온다. 손
If there anyone that's not
빨리
salivating,
병원 가세요.
then you should go to the
정상적인
hospital.
사람은 섬유를
Someone
먹을 때하고
who is
똑같이
normal
섬유를 먹었다고
will
생각하는
react in
것만으로도
the same
우리
way
몸은
as if
똑같이
they
반응을 하게 돼요.
actually ate a
그래서
pomegranate just by
여러분
thinking about
머릿속에
it.
내가
So
어떤
in your
집에서 살
mind,
건지,
you need
어떤
to think
차를
what
타고
kind of
다닐
house
건지,
it is
누구와
that you
식사를
want to
할
live
건지,
in,
어떤 옷을 입을
what
건지,
kind of food
내가
is that
어려운
you want to
사람들에게
eat,
어떻게 베풀면서 살아갈
and
건지,
how it is you
친척들,
want to
형제들
bless
어떻게
others, whether
도와주면서
your
살아갈 건지,
cousins,
돈을
your family
쓰는 나의
members.
모습을 내가
You need to
생각하는
think
것만
in your mind how you want to live such a life.
돈은요, 버는 것보다도 주는 것이
Money
훨씬 더
actually,
주는
you'll
기쁨을
be a lot
누리고,
happier by
여러분들,
giving more than
물론 또
receiving.
개인적으로도 여러분들이 돈을 벌면은요,
Personally,
주려고 벌어요. 누구한테
most
줘요?
people want to
자식한테
give
주고,
to earn money,
아내한테
right?
주고,
You want to give it
남편한테
to your
주고,
wife, your
부모한테
husband,
주고,
and your
형제간들한테
children,
주려고
your siblings, right?
실제로 자기를 위해서 쓰는 것은
Usually people do
별로
not
없어요.
earn money
특히
to use
남자는
on their own. I think this is
자기를 위해서
true
별로 쓸
mostly
게
for men. There's not much
여자들은 옷을
expenses for
사도
yourself,
되고,
right?
뭐
Women
남자들은 뭐
will buy
금색 양복
clothes,
하나, 뭐
but for
밤색
guys,
양복,
you
회색
just
양복, 뭐
need
검정
2 or
양복,
3
그 정도
pairs
있으면
of
되는데
suits.
여자들은
That's all you
원피스,
need.
투피스, 쓰리피스 해가지고
But women need a one
이게
piece, two
미니
piece, three
미디
piece.
맵시 하고요. 이거 뭐
They need a mini skirt
구두도요. 이게
and they
남자들은
just need
한두 개,
so
서너 개
many
있으면
kinds of
다행인데
shoes, right? Men only
여자들은
have
그렇지
1 or
않아요.
2
10개,
shoes.
20개 있어도요.
They need
다
10, 20
써먹어요.
types of shoes.
그러니까 여자들은 돈을 많이 써도
So for women, they can spend a lot of money. That's okay. But for men, if you spend a lot of money, if you're a man, that's sinful. That's a crime. Regardless,
한 편의 영화를 만드는데
you need to draw a movie in your
이
mind.
영화가 머릿속에서
And
돌아가요.
this movie must be
그래서
played inside
이
of your
영화의
mind.
주인공이 누구냐면은 나예요.
So who is the main actor in your mind? It's you. Who is the
그래서
director?
영화의
Who
이름이
is
나의
the
인생이에요,
producer?
나의
It's all you. And what's the name of the movie? It is your life.
시나리오.
Your
자,
life
여기 보면
scenario.
이렇게 세 개가 있어요. 여기다 이름 쓰는 거예요.
So
누구,
write down
누구의 나의
your
인생
name
시나리오.
here, so and
그래서
so's
오늘
life
저녁에
scenario.
한 편의 영화를
So you
만들어줍니다.
must
그런데
make a
그냥
movie.
시나리오 쓰시라고 그러면 어려우니까
Imagine a movie in
양식은
your
다
mind.
만들어지고
So
그리고
we
경품도
have
다
provided a
드릴
form
거예요. 거기
for all of you. All you have to
칸에다가
do
쓰기만
is
하면은
fill
쉽게
out
시나리오가
the
만들어지는데,
categories for
자,
this form.
이렇게 돼 있어요. 거기에 보면은
So in that form, there will be this pie chart.
자 여기에 이 잘 사는 거, 이 잘 사는 것이 무엇인지
So
여기에 한 가지는
in this
들어가야
one
돼요.
category
그러면
is to
잘
live
살려고
well.
하면 건강이 들어가겠죠.
Let's say
그렇죠?
one is
그다음에
health,
풍요롭게 살려고 하면
and to live
주택 문제가
abundantly
있죠.
is the issue of the
의식 중에서
house.
주택. 요즘에는 뭐 자동차도 필수적으로 좀 필요한데
And
돈이
these
많이
days you
들어가는
need a
부분이죠.
car
또
as well.
그다음에
What else?
또 사랑하고
To love. What about in this category?
그러면은 여행 같은 거 이런 것도 가족
What
여행
about
같은
travel?
것도
Family
계획해야 되겠죠?
travels. You need to think
그다음에
about these goals as
배우고.
well. And next, to
이런
learn.
거는 자녀 교육도 여기 들어갈 수가 있고
Your children's
뭐
education
자기
can
학습,
be in here,
자기
or
학습하는 것도 여기 들어갈 수가 있겠죠.
studying for
그다음에
yourself,
공헌하는 것은 뭐
contributing
봉사라든가
back to the
이런 것도 들어갈 수가
society.
있고.
These are all
또
aspects
뭐가
that needs
있어요?
to be in here.
잘
What
살려고
else?
하면은 현금도 좀 있어야
You
되겠죠.
need some
현금.
cash to live
그렇죠?
well as well, right?
그러면은 자 여기 항목들은 요 네 가지가 이렇게 반드시 한 번은 들어가야
So all
돼요.
4 of these
여기
aspects
공헌한다는 봉사가
needs
들어갔죠.
to be
요게 이렇게
inserted
문구가 있어요,
into
여기에 이렇게.
each of these pie
문구가
charts.
10개씩 있는데
And there's going to be marks here for each
여기에다가
category.
현재 내가 건강 상태는 어떠한지 10점 만점에 몇
So on a
점
scale
그렇게
to
챙겨보세요.
10,
또
you
한
need to
5점,
write
하루간
down and give yourself
건강이다.
a
그다음에
number.
주택은
Let's say for your
내가
health,
살고
it's a
싶은
5.
집이 있을
For your
거예요.
house, maybe
그
there's a
집에
house that you
비해서
want to
지금
live
내가
in.
사는 집은
Then
몇 점이냐.
compare
예를
the
들면
house that you are
70평
currently
아파트가
living in.
있어야
For
되겠어.
example, you want
그런데
to
지금
live
사는 것은
in a big
30평
house. But currently
전세를
the
살고
house that
있다.
you're living in
그러면은
is
20점
only 100
이렇게
square
된다.
meter. Then give yourself,
자,
2 points.
여행은 내가
What about
좀
for travel?
1년에 한 번 정도는 해외 여행을 좀
You
하고
want to
싶다.
travel
그런데
overseas at
10년
least
동안
once a
한 번도
year,
못
but
했다.
you've never traveled
그러면은
overseas for 10 years, then
네,
give
일점.
yourself a 1.
자녀 교육은 지네가
For
알아서 좀
children's
했어. 5점.
education, they've done well on their own, then give yourself a
마음으로만
5.
했어. 1점.
Uh, social contributions,
빵,
give
마이너스.
yourself 1.
효도
Cash
그냥
is 0, you have
달러
none.
대충 때웠어.
And for familial
요게 이제
piety
요걸
to your
이어보세요,
parents,
이렇게.
give yourself
이걸
1.
이렇게
And then
이으면은
connect these
이게
dots.
자기 인생
Then
툴에
this
바뀌어요.
shows the state of your life. This is your life wheel. If it is demented, such as this wheel right here, that's not a good life at all. But if you're able to have a 10-point mark for each of these categories, and if you connect it, it becomes a round wheel, right? And it will roll well. So for example, in order to achieve this, what must you do? Then you need to write down in this boxed up area here.
그런데 이거를 쓰는 방법이 첫째,
So the first way to write this is first,
첫째 구체적으로 써야 돼요.
you must be
구체적으로.
specific with your
예를 들면
plans. For example,
자동차도
if you want to buy a nice car, don't just write down nice car, big car. You need to write down Mercedes so-and-so. You need to be very specific with a model number. Same with the house. Don't just write down a big house, but you need to write down the actual size of the house that you want to live in and the actual address of the house that you want to live in.
이렇게 가격은 얼마?
How much is it worth?
그래서 구체적으로 제가
So you need to be very specific
자,
with your
선배들이
goals.
작성했던 모델을 한번 보도록
So let's look at some of our seniors. Let's see, there's a familial piety house and car. For a house, this person currently lives in a $70,000 deposit house. However, by 2024, they want to move to Daewoo World Mark apartment with 3 rooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 balconies. That is worth $420,000. And you also need to write down your plan of when you want to be promoted. So when do you want to become a sales master? When do you want to become a diamond master? When do you want to become a Sharon Rose master? Write down your 5-year plan for your rank. Then write down what it is that you can do now. You actually need to live a balanced life now. Many people say, if you go to Success Academy, they say the same thing. But actually, the people who say that they give up very easily, you need to come to this Success Academy every month. There are people who have attended this meeting every month. Such people will be successful. Why? Because you need to constantly learn so that you will be motivated. Those that have come here to Success Academy, many times when they're listening to the lecture, they're motivated to make $30,000 a month. They're going to ride a Benz, they're going to move to a big house. It seems like everything is set for them here. But the minute they step outside, their senses come back. They come back to their senses. And they think, no way, I'm never going to live in such a big house. I can't even pay for my loan interest. I don't even have money to pay for my gas. How am I going to drive a Mercedes? So they come back to their senses and say, it's never going to happen. That's how people fail. Because they've come back to their senses. Your dream cannot be broken. That is why people, when they're in their vision and come back to reality, and most people have that tendency. So what must you do? You need to continue to come back to Success Academy and go back into your vision, create your vision, and stand on that vision. You need to have this will. That's why you need to come back to Success Academy every time. And you need to recreate this vision every time. Write it down every time. Even if you've written it last month, you need to write it again. And it will change every time. And you need to be confident with this vision making. If you are not confident, then you will not make a vision. If you are not confident, then you cannot tell yourself nor others about your vision. You need to tell everyone that you meet about your vision. Why? If you don't tell others, and if you just think about it by yourself, if you just think about it, it will one day just disappear, and you pretend like it's never happened before. And it will just disappear in thin air. So you must declare it to everyone. So what you have written here today in your life scenario, you need to show your family. I will move to a 210 square meter house. Honey, you want to ride a Mercedes, right? I'll buy you that house. But that car, just help me out for 3 years. So you need to share these visions and dreams with other people. You can't just hold it on to yourself. So this vision, this movie must be played over and over in your mind until it becomes a reality. This is the secret to your success. And all those who have succeeded, this is how they have succeeded. You must draw the life that you want, the successful life that you want vividly in your mind. That you want to make $30,000 a month, that you want to make $50,000 a month. When I first founded Atomy, we didn't have anything. We had nothing. I had nothing. I didn't even have $10,000. We couldn't find an office. For 3 months, 4 months, my car, my SUV was my car, and all the stuff that we had in the company was in my car. That's how we started. We didn't have anything. Do Do you know what people said back then? Do you know what I said back then? I told everyone that we would be a global company that will go all across the world. We will go to the US, go to Japan, and we will go to all the different countries in the world. To South America, to India, to Russia. That we will overtake this whole world. And when I said that, all the contractors that followed us were those that had lost their senses, and now they're successful. But those that had come back to their senses and said, he is crazy, those people are still poor today. You must be out of your senses to be successful. You must become crazy. You must become crazy in order to achieve your goals. If you become crazy, then you will achieve. If you don't go crazy, you will fail. I hope all of you will go mad about your dreams, and I hope you will never come back to your senses. And this is the end of my lecture. Thank you very much.